Hey guys, this is a mirror design that I just recently made and I love the way it turned out. This is such a unique mirror look and I'd like to share with you guys how I made it. Now here are the items that I used for this project. A full list of all the items that I used for this project will be in the description box below. Now I just took the embroidery hoops, loosened it up, and then I'm gonna cut it into two. And now I'm going to be removing the metals from the corners. I used 3 individual embroidery hoops and this is how I'm going to be laying them down before I glue them down using a wood glue. This is what the shape should look like. And now I took small craft sticks and I glued them in the middle of each and every one of the hoops. I spray painted it silver and kept it aside. Now I took a strong poster board and then I made 2 shapes out of them, a small and a large shape, and each of them will be 6 in number. And then I took a mirror reflective paper and I'm going to be tracing them out on the mirror reflective paper so that I'm going to get a shiny mirrored look at the top. This is what they should look like. And now I'm going to be applying them on top of the cutout poster boards. And these are so easy to use. You just peel them and stick them on. I'll be using silver beads and gluing them at the top of each and every one of the embroidery hoops. I'll be taking the silver plastic spoons and using the base. And I'm going to be putting it close to the craft stick and applying hot glue there. This is so that I can put the design on top of it. And at the same time, it's going to be glued to the craft stick and to the silver plastic spoon. I use spoons because of the shininess, but you can go ahead and use craft sticks if you like. The extended part of the spoon is where I'm going to be gluing the smaller design. This is definitely going to hold up because the papers are light in weight. After gluing all the designs, you turn it to the back and seal it off with E6000 glue. Now here you can see the height difference and that's what I'm looking for the design. At these inner spaces, I'm going to be covering them up with gems. I glued the gems to the outer corners and then I kept to the side. Now I took a board that I cut out and then I glued a hook at the back using any 6000 glue. And then I took my 10-inch mirror and then I attached the board at the back of the mirror and this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to be gluing on the mirror to the design. And for the craft sticks that's close to the mirror, I'm going to be covering them up with more gems. This was a last minute thing and I decided to just add oval mirrors to see what it was going to look like. I used hot glue gun for the tips because I was just trying to see what it was going to look like, so I would strongly advise that you use E6000 glue. If you don't have oval mirrors, you can cut out the shape from a mirror reflective paper so you don't have to worry about the weight. And this is what it looks like when it's hanged on the wall. I took pictures without the oval mirrors to see what it was going to look like also. This is a different kind of mirror design and I really love the way it turned out. Let me know in the comment section below which of the 2 looks you prefer, the ones without the mirrors and the ones with the mirrors that kind of looks like a peacock. I hope you enjoyed the video and remember to like and share. And also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.